In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to your PC. Whether you're freeing up cloud storage space or simply wanting a local backup, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to efficiently transfer your files. Let's kick off by ensuring you're connected to the internet, as this is necessary for accessing your files on OneDrive. Once that's out of the way, turn your attention to your computer and open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other that you regularly use. Enter onedrive.com into the address bar and hit enter to navigate to the OneDrive website. You'll see the login page, so go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't remember them, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Once signed in, you'll be greeted by the OneDrive interface showcasing your files and folders. Navigate to where the files you want to transfer are located. Click on a folder to open it and preview the contents. Now, let's talk about selecting files. If you want to move multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each file. This action allows you to select more than one file at a time. If you wish to select all files in a folder, you can simply click on the circle checkmark in the top left corner of the folder's list view. With your files selected, look towards the top of your OneDrive interface, where you'll spot a toolbar with several options. Click on the Download button. Once you do, your browser will begin downloading a zip file. This file contains all the files you selected, bundled together for convenience during the download process. Once the zip download is complete, it's time to locate the file on your computer. By default, downloaded files often reside in the Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location in your browser settings. Using File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder or the specific directory where your browser saves downloads. Locate the zip file and double-click on it to open. You'll see the contents of the zip file. These are your individual files from OneDrive. To access them in a regular folder format, just drag the files out into another folder on your PC, or use the Extract All option to specify where you want them to be placed. This step creates copies of your files on your PC, leaving the originals untouched in OneDrive. In summary, transferring your files from OneDrive to your PC is a process of accessing your OneDrive account, selecting the files you need, downloading them, and finally placing them in a suitable location on your PC. Experiment with these steps a few times, and you'll find it becomes a seamless part of your digital routine. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our channel for more tech tutorials and tips.